Did the seat slide back or is it still forward? Let's find out. Because it does. There. Okay. Alright. See how that is. It'll spin real fast when you're rolling, Sal. Real easy, one-handed. Yeah, I know. But here, turn the gas down a little bit. It'll go in. Your blade isn't in, is it? Well, here, yeah, turn it down. Pull it down. Some more. It'll go in gear a lot easier because it's not synchronized. Okay, well, but I'm telling you when you... Oh, crap. It'll always go in gear a whole lot easier, turned way down because it's not synchronized. And the same with this. The lower idle speed, the easier it goes in. All right, there you go. Now speed her up some, Sal. There you go. Good deal. Alright, let him do his thing. Don't let Dad stand there and watch over him, make him nervous. That thing mows really nice. It does, it mows really nice. Sal's 12, he's small. And he's been driving garden tractors since he was about 4. And then, of course, these are all still a little big for him. He's only 4'6". But he'll be able to drive a car easily enough and everything else. And me, I'm going to go out here and get this other one and go, guys, you know, on that video the other day, I couldn't make this tractor go into neutral and showing. I thought it might be low, and I checked the transmission fluid and the blade. And they both run off the same one. They were low. I put 2 gallons of gear oil in it. I put 1 gallon in last night, 1 today, and it still could probably take 2 more. So that must be a 4-gallon reservoir. And I operated it, and it's working just fine now. I had to, it would go in 4th gear and none of the others because 4th gear is the lowest gear down in the grease, see? And I got it going, I ran it a bit, and then I got it going in all the gears now, so it's good. It had me a little concerned, but it's good. So I'll mow with this one while Sal's mowing with that one. And his C needs a blade tightened up on it. I don't know, did I? Did I turn my gas on, guys? Did I? Yeah, I did. All right, it's good to go. So I'll mow on this and then, because this one don't have no power steering. There, neutral. I just had this running a while ago. I wouldn't have. Oh, I turned it off, guys. Accidentally turned it off. I thought it would. There we go. So I'll finish this up here. Okay. Oh! I want that on. I don't know if the kitties are under that or not. Get out of there, guys. They lay under this, you know. There we go. Alright, engage the blades and nobody's under it. Here we go. out of range, guys. So I only had to mow once this week now. Normally it was twice a week. It could have even been 3 if I'd have really wanted to. But I don't.